So here's the 4 things you need to do to go from making no money online to learn the skills to make 6 figures in 6 months working 2 hours a day. The first, you need to promote digital products that you make 100% profit. Second, you need to follow a proven blueprint that shows you how to attract customers to you, so that way you don't have to spend money on marketing, that way you don't have to go find customers, that way you don't have to bother friends and family, and that way you don't have to be rejected. Third is have your business on autopilot. My friends, this is what allows you to work 2 hours a day and make daily pay because the automations are out there working for you 24/7. Fourth, build an email list. Email equals income. Email gives you your time freedom. I will show you as your mentor how to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months by these 4 steps. And once you realize this and the power of email, this is what builds an online business for time freedom. So if you want to learn more about this blueprint, learn more about the 2-hour workday, put "I'm ready" in the comments. I'd absolutely love to share with you.